So I'm down at Morgan Park, I'm packing up for the day, and I thought what better time to do an unboxing of my brand new Exedy clutch. So these guys hopped on board to support me because they believe in my goals. They thought my last video was really funny, so I'm gonna do another one. Also, you might see some drift action happening in the back. So it's been an awesome event so far. Drift the Downs at Morgan Park has been a great atmosphere. It's been a lot of fun, but unfortunately my time has come with the car for the day. So it was time to pack up and I thought, why not? I'm trying to work out how to open this. What? What is it? Beautiful. I don't know how well you can see it, but I remember last time I got a clutch from them, I asked them if they packed it with love and I would like a picture of it next time. And I got a beautiful picture of them packing it with love. That's so sweet. And it says up here, packed by Jim or Tim. I think it's Jim. Thank you, Jim. Let's all show some love to Jim. What a legend. I can already tell. There's going to be comments. Move out of the way. We want to see the cars. Yeah, we'll buy a ticket and come here and spectate. Support your local drift events. If you want to see cars, come support your local events. That is how you keep drifting alive. If you're not yourself a drifter, that's fine. I mean, I encourage it. You should start drifting too. But if you are yourself not a drifter, you don't want to get into it yet, support your local events. That is how you keep motorsport alive. Support it. But otherwise, I'll give you a little teaser. Okay, so we have our important information. So important. I don't know what it is. I'll open it. You see it? Ah, there he is. What a legend. Aha! Fitting instructions. I can just go back in here. I don't know what I'm doing anyway. I got some free stickers. Oh, someone went off. So this is my clutch component. It's very component. This is my clutch. This is my clutch component. Oh, it's so heavy. Throw out bearing. Again, you can just go this way. Don't. I was joking. Silly joke. These your bolts. That song sucks. So bright. This is your other thing.
It's an alignment.
Alignment tool. Yay! It's the heavy one.
That's your flywheel.
Yay! Oh, that's your flywheel. Yeah. I'm on a random set of like grandstand chairs and I don't think they're properly set up, so hopefully they don't fall and I don't want to die. I'm using wire cutters right here to try and cut tape. Knife. Thank you, I'll take the knife. I shouldn't have opened that.
No, you shouldn't have.
Why didn't you tell me? Well, I'm going to put that back in the box. I'm going to let Jim here look after my flywheel. So that is my unboxing of my Exedy clutch concluded. Would like to say a big thank you to Exedy for supporting me and believing in my goals. I would also like to take this moment to give a round of applause to Jim. Jim at Exedy, you're a legend. Thank you so much for packing my clutch with care and love. We all appreciate you. We respect what you're doing and you're a legend. Thank you, Jim. Round of applause. Thank you for watching, guys. Go support your local motorsport events. Bye.